Just need to make sure, stop that from wobbling around. Right, here we go, just checking on the monitor. What I've done, guys and girls, I'm using that Nikkor monitors from www.nikkor.com. I will put a link in the description to the Amazon affiliate link to it. This will be sort of like slightly paid video just to testing out the monitor. And as I can see on here from the distance, it's actually really good on the focusing, not focusing points, but more of like bigger screen. So that means I can actually see myself nice and to focus. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Anyway, I've got my little light that I'm using. You can probably see the beam of thing coming out of there. Actually, I don't need. Can I slip this down a little bit? Don't know if I need it that high, to be honest. So I've got this one. Actually, what I do slightly. As I don't even need it that bright, to be honest. I got on. Can I go any lower? No, can I? Let's have a look. So as you can see, it's kind of brighter. Actually, it's my. I've got the auto ISO, well, the ISO on auto, so it's really good. I've actually kind of got feedback. I just had to work out. I've just realised the actual monitor's volume was at 100%. So when I had my microphone attached to the camera itself, and then the camera attached to the actual monitor and the microphone, you got loud beaming sound of feedback on it. So just make sure, you guys and girls, you turn it down just before you plug it in with the microphone, because I'm using the Rode Mic Mini at the moment. Anyway, so what I was going to be doing today is a quick look at a new item I bought yesterday, and the affiliate will be actually in the description below. And this is actually, this came in the box here, so I'll keep it in the box. Just show you what the box looks like first with it in, more like an unboxing. This is the, don't know how, if you can see it that well from a distance, Orion Stratus 68 degrees eyepiece, fully coated or fully multi-coated lens. So hang on, just making sure. Now 68 degrees is going to be quite a good decent field of view when you're looking for it. Says 2 inch 1.25, so these will go from 2 inch to 1.25. What's this? Right, so what's this on? Wide field eyepiece, ocular. This item this 8mm, so it's 8mm altogether. Offers a 68 degree apparent field of view for a nice and wide window into the heavens. That's what it says, heavens. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, this is a Stratus 8mm eyepiece, 125 2 inch. And let's open it up. So that says on the box there as well, exactly the same. Just making sure, because if I come forward a bit too much, you can't see it. But then when I start getting it from a distance, look at that, perfect in view. I'm recording all this in 4K. I've got my lights just there, actually blinding me with the LEDs. Got these ones here blinding me as well. I've got this one slightly facing down towards me, so this one's slightly almost going towards the back of my head. I was going to get this one to face downwards, but that'd be kind of sort of too dramatic. But yeah, this is Orion. So this is going to be for your telescope. So I won't be able to use this yet because to be honest, the stars and all that and the clouds are all in the way, so it's kind of like drifting away. Hang on. Right. Let's open this and have a look, shall we? Right, so yeah, I can actually see that where I'm standing now on the actual monitor looks really good. Actually, I don't know if you guys and girls have noticed, my hair. I had my hair cut as well, so I'm back to a nice short thing. Still feels like it's slightly sticking up, but I could probably get some sort of gel on it or something to do it. Right, so what we got here, don't know if you'll be able to see it. Actually, can I focus this in? Let's have a look, see if I can focus this in up close. Oh wow, guys and girls, so yes we can. Anyway, so this here, I don't think it's upside down, there we go, make sure it's in nice focus, especially with the light which is actually beaming down on it, so you'll be able to see it nice and colourful in all its glory. This fully multi-coated sort of glass, Orion Stratus, that's the name of it. Then it says 8mm, 68 degrees. And as we take off the cap here a minute, you got the glass in here, so that's the glass. Wow, look at that, guys and girls. Actually, I wonder if we can we just get a little bit more in so you guys and girls can slightly, I don't know if it's because this is a 35mm lens I'm using on the camera, so I'm just trying to get as sharp as anything. I mean, I've actually put the f8 focal stops, 8 focal stops on there. Gone to 8 stops on the camera, so that way with the light plus this equals a great video for you guys and girls. Look at that. And so out of focus, so what we could do is slightly, so if I go out too far here and then just push this back in, look at that. That is just awesome. Very, very, very sharp lens. 35mm Nikon lens. This is the autofocus Nikkor 35mm. I will probably put a link in the description for the lens as well, so you guys and girls can pick one up. I think they were fairly cheap when I bought them for the 35mm, but as you can see, the quality on it from the camera taking the pictures of this is amazing. And this, I'm not going to be editing any of this, you'll just be seeing it from its sort of holy glory. So let's go and focus myself back in a sec. Can we get back in there? Right, can we get back in there? Slightly, yeah, it seems okay-ish. So I had to go back a little bit more and all that. But yeah, so that's that side. Well, that side, that's the big lens. This is where you're going to, actually, to be honest, let me go back here in a sec. So this bit here, there we go, nice. So this bit here is the big eyepiece. It means as your eye doesn't really need to see sort of strain hard as much as these ones do. Let's have that. I need to wipe these ones, get these ones over. Right, so this one here is a Plussy 10mm Now this one's slightly smaller. As you can see, the eye, where you put your eye and you look through this little lens piece here. This is, oh, I'm going to get back into the camera. It's getting a bit awkward because I'm looking at the monitor itself. So as you can see, the eyepiece is not as big as this. This is huge. Look how huge that is. That is very big. That means you could actually see the whole entire heavens with that one. That's amazing. And this has got the 120, the all 125. We've also got so your bigger ones here. All right, the bigger the number, the higher the sort of. So say if you've got a H20 and you've got a H8, let me put that one there. Yeah. So say this here, right, that's a H20. The magnification on it, on here, this is an old one anyway, this is all dusted up in a moment, but you can see the eye, or where you put your eye to have a look through, it's much bigger than your average 10mm. So it's double the size of the eyepiece that you're going to be putting in for telescopes. I will be doing maybe a breakdown of all these eyepieces. This is a Plossy. I mean, you can get some very good shots with this, like some moon shots. It depends. Some lenses are wider, some are smaller. I will do a full breakdown soon now on it. So definitely look out for that. Now, this is the 125, so it means the 125 adapter. This will go on my Horizon. Actually, it'll go on my, what's it called, the telescope I bought a while back. I will put a affiliate link in for that as well, for the telescope I bought. I've forgot the total name on it, but it's the Star Max 90. That will be, I think it's a Dobson. It might be a Dobson. I'll have to have a look, but I will put affiliate in the link in this description so you guys and girls can check it out. But here we go. Here's a 125 adapter. So this one here, that'll go onto your main sort of telescope where you connect it in, and where you see, where you'll be looking most of the time, will be through this big massive lens with your eyepiece. Just make sure it's at night time. The darker the better, guys and girls, I say. But I've also only a few days going back, just got one of the it's not in focus properly. I just adjust that. This one's actually a manual focus, so I have to manually focus this. There's only a downside to it, but it's nothing really. To be honest, would I get a automatic lens and automatically focus it myself, or would I prefer a challenge by having it manual focus and just learn from it? To be honest, I'd just say just get a lens, a manual focus lens, like manual focus, where you do it yourself and focus yourself. Anyway, I've noticed this as well. This has actually got a little ring on it, so I presume this will be where you're going to be focusing, manual focusing the lens, even though the focus ring on the telescope is already on there. They've already got one built on that, so this will probably, the magnification of the focus on it will probably be a lot better, or maybe this will be a lot better. I wanted to get this the other day because I was looking at it and I've heard some good reviews about it for the 68-degree one, and I wanted like a sort of where I could put my mobile phone on the top and focus in on the star. That I've actually got an adapter which I've actually bought. I'll put a link in that description as well, in the same description, so you guys and girls have different links to the different items or the stuff here. So if you guys and girls want to get a proper decent ones of lenses, or if you're after a new upgrade, definitely go for the Orion, it's called, not Orion, Orion. But the affiliate links in the description here. But anyway, guys and girls, just so I thought I'd got this morning. Well, actually, what time is it now? Actually, it's coming up to 11 o'clock now. On the Wednesday, the 8th of January 2019. But yeah, anyway, guys and girls, these affiliate links basically to do with Amazon. So if you go on Amazon and you want to get a product or something on there, I've got my affiliate link on there through the description at the bottom here. So that means it don't cost you anything. It's absolutely free for you just to go onto the website and check it out, or to have a look at it, the items and all that. But if you decide to buy it, I get a percentage basically. I don't know how it works and stuff, but apparently the link of the description says that you get up to 10-15% per sale or something. So it's something small. It's something like something small to the point where it's hardly anything really. 10-15%. But yeah, it's like 15 pence out of every pound, or 15 cents out of every dollar. So you'll be doing us a favour, guys and girls. Cheers for watching. Anyway, if you do like the video, do like, favourite, share, comment, subscribe. I will be doing a test on this, because I have done videos on my astrophotography before. Not on the Star Max yet though. I'm still trying to get some good footage on there before I can upload it to YouTube. But do look out for them in the future, because I'll be uploading. It's absolutely not that great out there at the moment in the UK. In this part of the UK, in the southwest of England. It's absolute terrible down here. It's cloudy as anything. It's always raining. But as always, I'm Anthony Kenneth Bishop. This has been my channel. Cheers for watching, guys and girls. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next episode. And Happy New Year to all of you. We're only about 8 days into January 2020 already. I mean, it's marvellous already. Cheers for watching, guys and girls, and stay safe. And also, I want to thank, actually, just before I go, I want to thank you guys and girls who have been supporting the channel so far. If it wasn't for you guys and girls helping along and subscribing to the channel, I wouldn't be here where I am right now to do more videos and some fantastic videos like this. But anyway, cheers for watching, stay safe, and Happy New Year.